We're going to discuss the three types of analysis that exist in the Forex market. Now, there's been a long time debate on which analysis is more important and pertains best to the market. However, to truly become a professional trader, it's important that you understand each of these three analyses and marry them together to get a much better and more broad understanding of the market. This in time will help you to become a more profitable trader. Let's start with the first type of analysis. First type of analysis is known as technical analysis. Technical analysis is a combination of using things such as supports, resistance, and a combination of trend lines within the market. Now, a trader can easily put together any type of technical analysis to give a reading of where the market is going. I'm going to draw a current technical analysis. I can see by connecting my lower highs and my lower lows in this particular market, the price action formed what's known as a falling wedge. This falling wedge would tell me that at this particular point in the market may be on the bullish side. So as we can see through a technical standpoint, the market was able to go in our favor. The second type of analysis is known as fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis has to do with economic news and world events happening on a global scale that gets put out on a website known as Forex Factory. Now, there are other credible websites to give you fundamental news. However, Forex Factory is one of the most broad and one of the most widely used Forex calendars for fundamental analysis inside of the market. As an example, I'm going to show you how there was a news release at 8:30 a.m. for the US dollar. The news release came out negative. Now, coming back to the charts, what would that mean? If the news release was negative, that means that the value of the US dollar were to fall down. And if the value of the US dollar were to fall down, that means that the strength of the New Zealand against the US dollar would strengthen, resulting in the pair to come up. Now, as you can see here with the timestamp at the bottom of the screen, this candle was between 8 and 9 a.m. This candle played out to become bullish because of how the fundamental analysis lined up. So currently, we have a technical and a fundamental bias, both giving us the same reading that the market was coming up. Now, the third type of reading inside of the market is known as a sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is developed over time through intuition. It's learning how to read the price action and understanding how price is feeling. Being able to learn how to read the candlesticks in the market and learning how to read the wicks inside of the market, you'll be able to understand if the buyers or the sellers are in control of the trade. Taking a closer look at this specific point right over here, let's take a look at what a sentimental analysis would look like. Looking at these closed candles here, we can see that there were many blue candles trying to push the market up. Now, if we look, there were very, very short wicks. These short wicks were showing us that the market is pushing up in that area. Now, if we look to the downside of these candles, we can see that there were very, very long wicks pushing down to this specific support line. What this will tell a professional trader during long wicks is that sellers were trying to push the market down, but they couldn't push the market down. So that's why the market threw these long wicks, because the buyers were consistently in control. So the sentimental analysis of this current point in this market, because of these long wicks, is also telling us that buyers are in control and the market wants to come up. So as you see in this one example, we were able to marry a technical analysis with a fundamental analysis and a sentimental analysis to give us one clear understanding that the market clearly wants to go up. As a result, we were able to create profits if we were able to read the market correctly and put a buy position here. These are the 3 types of analysis inside of the market. This is going to conclude our training on the 3 types of analysis in the market. Throughout your trading career, continue to master and pay attention to each of the technical, fundamental, and sentimental standpoint inside of the market, and you will become a pro in no time. We'll see you in the next video.